In the application that he has filed for admission before Gurgaon School, it is dated October 202. After that, in this honorable court, there are no arguments for visitation. Even then he told something that he had filed application there. Now after this he also took TC from Delhi College on 283/2025, according to page 75 of his compilation. So he took all the decisions, got the admission done, sent the child there, took TC also, and after all these legal acts, here this is there any child cannot be moved from indoor admission engine but time will be guardian in what is that section 26. You have only visitation right. Visitation right, but not at will. Place you will have right lot. Order you are not in order, but lot seeking modification. At that was why that arrangement. Why? But there is no junction for movement. Of course, there is no law on the government. Just breathe. And they are acting as section 26-year-old child's court declared guardian. Court appointed, we won't call them that, but court declared guardian. So section 26 is applicable on them and section 44 is also applicable. The punishment in 44 is 1 year and 6 months. They take the child out of the court, particularly during the pendency of this case. So, I will do a little about their conduct. The permission they are applying for today, they should have applied for it earlier. Now when they have conducted everything, there is no child here, there is no mother either. Now they are applying for they want to get a legal field of an illegal act. Section 6 is what? I am relieving myself. RMP High Court has given very clear guidelines on minorities and guardianship in the Honorable Court. So in this, child access and custody guidelines are uploaded on ERP. Somewhere in it, page number 9, child access and custody guideline, 90 days notice period is required. Non-custodial parents, here they did not give a notification of even 1 day and are taking such a big decision for the child. For the child, he is just playing football. Their argument is that he is better there in school. I have never heard of that school. Whereas Delhi College is well known all over India. And there according to them its performance is very good. So a child who is already performing extremely well. For that, he was shifted to an unknown place in Gurgaon, where his maternal grandparents live, mother, respondents, apprentices, according to their own place, mother is going to expire, then who will take care of the child? Sir, conduct happened. Conduct note on the conduct, what have they done? Even the affidavit's signature was false. I can demonstrate, sir. Signatures were made on the 13th, sir. They filed the application on the 16th. On the 13th, child and mother had already gone to Gurgaon. 21st was mentioned here, sir, whereas classes will start on the 21st. Classes started there, then they mentioned the case here. So, when they actually took all the action, here in the court, what application for what, sir? They concealed a very big fact. I gave that application in front of 41/27 also. Not a reply to the gate. There are 2 judgments in it. One judgment is, the day file on us has been law by this honorable court. Second, sir, Section No second divorce petition has been rejected by the family court on 4th of April. 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 4 Application was filed on 15th of April. They have not mentioned about our counterclaim, sir. That has been accepted. Operative part is on page number 30 of our compilation. In number 30, there is direction to them that they should join our company abroad. After completing that thing with the honorable court, now it is a legal sanction to leave the whole city. The whole objective of this exercise is to deprive me and the child of father affect me. Within the same city, sir, if such a good child is performing, then there is absolutely no reason why he should be, that should be discussed. Okay. Sir, a brief note from me, yes.
Sir, I was hearing the arguments, and I thought they are not arguing for the child, they are arguing for themselves. If my lord, see the admission procedure in Delhi is not easy. It is only at the last moment Delhi schools tell you that they are giving you admission, and not giving you admission. If I start the process of admission in October, it is only because there is a process followed by all schools in Delhi. Has the husband even paid the fee of the child even for 1 month in Delhi college? I mean the kind of arguments I am hearing today as if the father has been taking care of his education. It's the mother who has been taking care of the entire fee that is nearly 4.5 for 5 lakhs I think annually. It's
the mother who is going to take care of the education in Delhi. And even the 3,000, which my lord has granted, as maintenance, ask him how many months has he paid that maintenance. So you can't try to dictate the mother who is taking care of the child. She is the well-wisher of the child. She is taking him to a good school. She is taking him to a good city. She is taking me into a school which has facilities. And I am not even saying think that there should be no visitation. The guard will remain with the mother whether it is indoor and Gurgaon. How does it matter? So there is a stucco bar. They will not bar all. That is what I am saying. It is always bar from the custody from the judiciary of the court. No, there is no bar, sir. 26. There is a stucco bar, sir. I have to take the court into confidence that about all, sir. A guardian of the person appointed and declared by the court, unless he is a collector of a guardian appointed by us, shall not without the leave of the court by which he was appointed and declared remove the reward from the limits and judicial except which say purpose may be prescribed. So that is what I have done. The moment admission happened I came to this court to seek permission, but the application is not under order section 24. Sir, but at the end of the day, by not looking at the interest of the child, we moved an application only because the child's interest is involved, sir. And are we? I am frankly speaking, sir. These are family issues. I would feel bad arguing such cases, because there is a child standing in front of my lord. It is a 9-year-old child. But and then, I said, what is in the best interest of the child, is happening, sir. And now they have been moved to a good school. We are not against visitation rights. Whatever conditions, my lords, would like to impose, please impose these conditions. And even I believe, while at indoor, and the father hardly had, he virtually never met the child. He would come to the gate and go away. I mean, they never even had a conversation. So now the mother is trying something good for the child. The object is what I am telling you, my lord, it is not worthwhile, my lord. It is looking very odd for me. It is looking very odd, my lord, because a small child is involved and we are all, and at the end of the day, lord, it is in the interest of the child. Whatever my lord would do is for the interest of the child. If my lord feels the mother is not being into doing something in the interest of the child, my lord would say no. If my lord feels that she has taken a step forward, at the end of the day, Delhi is a bigger place. Both for the mother, she is a young lady also. She also needs to earn well to do well in life to support the child. If she has to pay for his education, tomorrow he will grow up. He may want to go to Europe, he will want to go to US. The mother has to pay for that. So she has taken the entire responsibility upon herself. And then somebody objects that why you are doing it. This is what I am finding very important. If the father was paying the fee for the child, I would have bound my head a lot. I would have told the mother that you are doing a wrong thing. If she is paying that 4.5 lakhs as the complete fee, she is paying the fee there also in Indore also. So after that to keep objecting really because they have an issue of divorce. I mean, as I said, in divorce cases, it's very difficult to say what is right and what is wrong. That is why I never came to know that I hate arguing in divorce cases. Because everybody is right and everybody is wrong. It's a very emotional thing which we can't address a lot. But let's look at the insistence of the child a lot, and take a lot of calls. Whether what the mother has done for the interest of the child is correct or incorrect, and at the end of the day she is supporting the child. That's just 2 or 3 times that is most important that she is supporting the child. One thing is, if relocation has to be done, then its procedure, the primary guideline is 90 days notice of intent. Then give me. And second, sir, they are repeatedly telling me that they have not given me money, they have simply given it. Last 1 year 7,000, and after that, sir, every time we filed a case, every time we went into this, but they have to accept, because they wanted to all this on the ground that we will claim later. This multiple times asked them for them. They did not even tell at the time of divorce appeal that where do we have to make the payment. So whatever was the last phone number on which I gave, after that never. As far as this is concerned, they are moving to a good city. Indore is not a bad city. Indore is a very good city. Delhi College is a well-known institute all over the country. And multiple cases father places for the child dedication, but the custody remains with the mother. So, video is not on the ground, it is the choice of the child for the child. Section. The child will say, so I don't want to go to school. So sir, am I telling you something special? Why is it written specific here? And my welfare fine too, which is the argument law to space section 26, and permission has to be in advance. It cannot be a post permission. 90 days before, otherwise they are not complete. Provision of 26 and 4. I've got a hard talk. Very big section on the opinion of the child. So, I am not saying politically that, sir, our family is a joint family. In our joint family also, my elder brother, his son also studies in Delhi College. We can teach him in Delhi College, sir. They give us custody. We will make him study in Delhi College. And if we have custody, then they have no objection for visitation. That means we do not have any problem. Whatsoever we have, they have put up videos of visitation, sir. The child is facing the wall and not talking to the father. How is that in their figure? The father has brainwashed the child like this. In front of the father is not a criminal that the child will not even look at him. They brainwash them like this. That is actually a ground for change of custody. Yes, you are going to eliminate the father. I don't know what they will tell you by the time he turns 18. So sir, the brief encounters that I am getting with him here are also ending. We are also available here to take care of the child. From their side also the grandparents are there. Only the mother is going there because she has to expand the business. The darkness of the child is mine because I want to take care of him. And about this school, sir, for the first time I raided the picture Delhi College. I know about it every day.